everyone, my name is Austin and welcome to the channel. It's been a while and today I wanted to share a project I've been working on. It's a very simple project, a passion project inspired purely by me, the days. So the year is 2025, 11th August. This dude seated right in front of you decides to quit his job. Does he have a plan? Nada. Ulimpea. 1 week and I discover, oh, I need money. So I decided to start applying for jobs. But in the process, I discovered, oh, sending emails one by one is so tiring. That's when I started to find a way to maybe automate this process, an easier way to send like bulk emails just at once. But I discovered there is a risk of like same emails. You can be flagged by Google sending the same email or sending a lot of email. It can cause your account to be flagged. So I created a system with n8n, which makes sure that you send a lot of email just with one click. You send different emails to every user, and also the emails are sent at different time intervals. So, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you my n8n email automation project. I'm so proud of it, by the way. Let's go. Because n8n gives you a free hosting for about 14 days for every new user, I had to find a way to host my n8n. So the best way to host it was using Docker, which is free, by the way. It runs on your machine, so you don't really have to bother about anything. So basically in n8n, you create a system using something called nodes. So the first node is a trigger node, which starts the flow. Then we move to the sheets. So we need to find a way to go into the sheets. We do a few customization, authentication to make sure that we give n8n permission to access our account and read all the emails and details on the Google Sheets. Then it is followed by the code node used to craft the email so that it can be sent in a correct format in a formal way. It just gives you a preview of how an email should be written. Basically, it is written in JavaScript. That is the language I'm quite familiar with. So if you are a bit a techie guy, this will be at least advantageous for you. So basically an email has the subject, the message, and who is sending the email. Since we don't want to have the same subject, the same message to be sent to everyone, that's where AI agents come in. The agent we used DeepSeek, and we gave the agent a good prompt for it to be able to edit the message every time it loops to give a different email each and every time. Since we don't want the email to be sent at the same time, that's why we create another node for code that creates random numbers. We use math random. It's a JS method which creates a random number. We create numbers between 5 and 100. For every message, it will be picking a different number. For this one, you'll see it picks like 75 or something. So the message will be sent after 75 seconds. After the cycle completes, it sends another message after maybe 35 or 40 seconds, just to make sure the emails are being delayed and sent randomly to avoid being flagged by Google again. And to make sure the emails are being sent continuously, we use a loop node, which will make sure that only stop after every email has been sent. That is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, so that this video can reach more people who need it, and we can build some great things, more great things in the future. Bye bye. Peace.